In this video, I will show how to insert a table in Microsoft Excel. Insert table. So firstly, select the cells where you need a table. Then click on table. If you need a header for this table, so select this box. Then click on OK. Now you can make more changes for this table. You can change color combination. Here are some more options. You can add this total row. You can enable banded effect, banded columns. And there are some more options. You can try here. To remove this header row, unselect it. So thanks for watching.